What's going on, everyone, and welcome to Bum Vaper Vaping Reviews. And today we got in something pretty good. It's from a company out in Los Angeles, California called Vapes. And this is Monkey Snacks. Monkey Snacks is supposed to be a delicious pairing of rich, creamy peanut butter and a sweet, velvety banana. Now, I really hope that's what it is because I love some peanut butter vapes and I love banana. Alright, so before we get into this, I want to let everybody know what I'm using. I'm using a Sigeli 150 TC mod. I'm using my Doge V1 RDA dual coil, built down to 0.42 ohms, 24 gauge camp thaw. I'm running my Sigeli at 150 watts, 7.5 volts. So, let's get in some dripping. And while I drip this, I just want to let everybody know I got this product for the purpose of review. And this is some thick juice. I haven't had one from Vapes yet that's just not a super thick juice. The Monkey Snacks is a 75 VG and 25 PG. Alright, let's do a fire test. That's fired nice. Let's try her out. That's some good stuff there. Alright, everybody knows taste is subjective, but let's go ahead and get you what I get off of it. Remember, what I get may not be what you get and vice versa. On inhale. On inhale, there is a creamy peanut butter and a banana taste. Really good and spot on with the taste. I mean, spot on. Let's try exhale. On exhale, you still get that creamy peanut butter with that nice banana tone to it. But then after you're done inhaling and you sit back for a second, you just have this aftertaste of peanut butter, really smooth, creamy peanut butter. It makes me want to go have a peanut butter sandwich. Really good. Let's go to throat hit. None. There is no throat hit to that. It is smooth inhale, smooth exhale. Let's try out the vapor production. And I've got just about a dry cotton, so let's re-drip that because if I get a dry hit, you're going to see me fall over on the floor gagging. Alright, let's show you the vapor production. Awesome vapor production. I mean, I'm just clouding it out in here. My video recording room is just cloudy. So there you have it. You have the taste, you had the fire test, the taste, throat hit, vapor production. Now, you asked me, you got that for the purpose of review. But is this something you would buy? Most definitely. I love peanut butter and bananas, and they have hit it spot on. This is definitely a re-get. When this bottle runs out, I would definitely buy another one. Really good stuff. And if you would like to place an order with Right Vapes, right up here at the top of the screen, you see their website, rightVapes.com. Head on over there and make an order. You won't regret it. Especially, you like peanut butter, you like bananas. Man, this is the juice for you. Also, head over to their Facebook page and give them a like. That's facebook.com/rightVapes. Give them a like. Check out their Facebook page. Really good people. Again, head over to their website at rightVapes.com and make an order. You won't regret it. Until next time, everybody, I'm Bum Vaper, and we'll see you again. Keep on vaping, everyone.